Past so many years now, we have fixed a routine morning drink that is tea, commonly known as chai, or for some people their morning booster is coffee. But the intake of tea and coffee not only hampers your immune system, but it leaves a long-term effect on your health as well. Let us now tell you how can you kickstart your morning by opting out one of these 5 magical drinks which we are going to tell you in this video. Carom seeds, commonly known as Ajwain, which you can find easily in any Indian household for tadka. But this Ajwain water can help people lose weight and the burning of belly fat when consumed on an empty stomach. Before ingesting, mix 1 teaspoon of carom seeds into boiling water for 2 to 3 minutes. It is well known that consuming 1 teaspoon of carom seeds with a hot glass of water might help you for weight loss. Amla juice. One of the best morning juices for weight loss is Amla juice in water. Your digestive system will be improved and given the chance to function to its fullest with the help of concentrated Amla juice in water. Consume this drink first thing in the morning without eating anything. Ashgar Juice. Ashgar Juice, known as Petha in India, is known to work like magic for your health. This juice not only adds weight loss but it also helps to keep your mind calm. It leaves you energetic the entire day and give you a sense of clarity in your day-to-day tasks. Coconut water. Coconut is known for its hydrational properties. If you drink a glass of coconut water in the morning, it will keep you hydrated the entire day. Nariyal pani has many health benefits. It is a source of several nutrients and keep your heart healthy, and it is proven out to be beneficial after a long exercise. Lemon and honey water. Lemon honey water is the best combination for weight loss and metabolic stimulation. In a hot cup of water, add a lemon and 2 teaspoons of honey and you're good to go. This drink is super healthy and helps to maintain your energy level at place. So these were some healthy morning drinks which you can include in your weight loss journey and in order to keep yourself fit. Do share this video with your friends and family and wish them a healthy life.